we are opening a treillage, a wood lattice. Rounds 62 to 70 are worked in the same way. In each new round you add one extra pair of crossed front post treble crochet stitches at the beginning and one extra pair at the end of every side. Start in any corner and work 2 treble crochet stitches. Skip the next 2 treble crochet stitches from the previous round. Around the following stitch, work 1 front post treble crochet, then 1 chain stitch, and then 1 front post treble crochet around the previous stitch to the right. This gives you the first pair of crossed treble crochet stitches. For all the following pairs on this section, skip 1 treble crochet stitch from the previous round. Work 1 front post treble crochet around the next stitch, 1 chain stitch, and 1 front post treble crochet around the previous stitch to the right. Continue in this way until you have 12 pairs of front post treble crochet stitches. In the last pair of this section, the first front post treble crochet is worked around the first stitch that is placed behind the central panel. Make 1 slip stitch into the 3rd stitch of the central panel to anchor your work. Working behind the central panel. Continue along the back of the central panel and work 7 pairs of crossed front post treble crochet stitches in the same way as before. In the last pair of this section, the first front post treble crochet is worked around the first stitch of the next section. Again, make 1 slip stitch into the 3rd stitch of the central panel to secure the work. Then continue with pairs of crossed front post treble crochet stitches until you have another group of 12 pairs. If you are here with me, round after round, thank you for your patience and your company. In the corner, work 2 treble crochet stitches and 1 chain stitch. Repeat the same sequence on the remaining 3 sides of the blanket. To finish the round, join with 1 slip stitch into the first treble crochet of the round. In round 70, the final stitch count is as follows. 152 pairs in total. Each pair is formed by 2 treble crochet stitches with 1 chain stitch between them, that is, 38 pairs on each side. 16 treble crochet stitches in total at the corners, 4 in each corner. 8 slip stitches, 2 on each side. 4 chain 1 spaces in total, 2 in each corner. At this point, the treillage is complete, a wide rhythmic texture of crossed treble crochet stitches that frames the whole central garden and creates a clean square border, ready for the next chapter of our blanket. Remember, a chair, a light, and company are here. We continue together.